everyone. How are you all? Good now? Welcome you all to our GED class. G, General Awareness. What is the date today? Today is 21/9/2021. Month is September. 9. Month is September and day is Tuesday. First we will go for winter season. Previous class we have done summer season and rainy season. Today we will do winter season. Winter season is very cold. In that season we wear sweater, muffler, gloves, and what do? We sit at the fireplace sometimes. And if it is very cold, we use room heater. In some places of India, there is snowfall. Snowfall. See the picture. Can you see here? Can you see the picture? This picture shows us that in winter season, in some areas or in some part of India also, there is snowfall. See, children are playing here with snow. They are making snowman. This is the snowman. They are playing with snowball, making big balls, small balls, throwing balls at each other, snowball. So, but in Orissa, in our place, we don't have snowfall, but it is very cold at that time of December and January. We feel very cold. We drink hot things. We don't take ice cream at that time. So let's start with our rhyme. That is a small song. You have to, last time I have done about the rainy season. Now this is for your winter season. The rhymes I will ask you, there are 4 rhymes. In summer season I have not done, but winter season I have done. Now today we will do other 2. Winter season and spring season. You have to learn them. Anyone, I will ask, say any one rhyme of the season. So you have to say me. Winter season. Winter's cold, it's sweater time. Winter's cold, it's sweater time. Make a snowman when the Xmas bell chime. Make a snowman when Xmas bell chime. Friends play with snow and dance with glee. Friends play with snow and dance with glee. We take turns and race on a ski. We take turns and race on a ski. Very good. Now see, my dear students, what are the things we see here? Let's read. Winter season. See, everywhere there is snow. In your book, it is page number 52. Take out page number 52. Snow is there. So, winter season. Let's read. Muffler, cap, sweater, snowball. Muffler, cap, sweater, snowball. Page number 53. Ski, snowman, snow. Ski, snowman, snow. Read this one. Now come to spring season. Winter season is over. Come to spring season. When do the spring season come? As summer is a season, winter is a season, rain is a season. So winter is also a season. Spring is also a season. When it comes, when the summer goes away and winter is arriving, winter is coming, the spring season comes. On that season, you will see beautiful flowers, and for those flowers, butterflies come. Butterfly aate, titli aate. So, let's read about spring season. Before that, let's do the rhyme here. Spring season. It's a wonderful thing. We have 4 seasons: summer, rainy, winter and spring. It's a wonderful thing. We have 4 seasons. Summer, rainy, winter, and spring. During the cool spring, we play with flowers and sing. During the cool spring, we play with flowers and sing. You have to learn this one. 3 rhymes are there. I will ask you any one. So learn. So what do we see in the spring season? We see butterfly and flowers. Butterfly and flowers. See how beautiful it's look now. It is your page number 54 and 55. Now turn your page to 56. Things we use in winter season. Sweater, woolen cap, gloves, muffler, blanket, room heater. Sweater, woolen cap, gloves, muffler, blanket, room heater. Page number 57. Things we use in spring season. Frock, fan, pants, skirt, shirt. Frock, fan, pants, skirt and shirt. This is page number 57. Now dear students, page number 56, book work. Read the words and write them. This is winter. You have to learn the spellings also. W-I-N-W. You can write in cursive or in letters which you like. This is your book work, but in notebook you have to write in cursive. Blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. Blanket. Gloves, Gloves, gloves. Then sweater is there, Sweater. Sweater. Woolen cap, Woolen, woolen, cap. This you have to finish. आपको लिखना है. 57 page. Spring, shirt, frock, skirt, fan, pants. मैंने आपको क्या बोला कि आप जैसा यहाँ पर राइटिंग है, यू कैन राइट लाइक दैट और यू कैन राइट इन कर्सिव. नोटबुक में सिर्फ आपका कर्सिव जाएगा. नाउ टर्न द पेज. रिकैप करेंगे सब. डू यू रिमेंबर ऑल द सीजन्स? देयर आर 4 सीजन्स. 4 सीजन्स में हमें क्या करना है, याद रखना है. समर, रेनी, विंटर, स्प्रिंग. नाउ टर्न योर पेज. हियर यू कैन सी रिकैप. Look at the picture of each season. Identify the things we do not use in that season and circle them. See, it is summer. So in summer, we don't use muffler. Here is frock, here is muffler, and there is hat. We are using frock and hat, but not muffler. Rainy season. In rainy season, we use umbrella and raincoat, but not sunglasses. So circle the sunglasses. Winter season. In winter season, we use gloves, jacket, but not the raincoat. Winter season, gloves and jacket, but not raincoat. So circle the raincoat. Spring season, frock, shirt, umbrella. We don't need umbrella, so circle the umbrella. This is page number 58. Do it. Question answer we have to discuss. So how is winter? Winter is cold. You have to write cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Winter is cold. When do we make snowman? When we make snowman? When the Xmas bell chime. When the Xmas bell chime, we make the snowman. What do we make when Xmas bell chimes? Same repeated our question. This one. Huh? What do we make when Xmas bell chimes? We make snowman. Right? Snowman. Snowman. Do we have rainfall in our area or place? Do we have rainfall? Sorry, snowfall in our area? No. Do we have snowfall in our area? No, we don't have snowfall in our area. How is spring season? Spring season is cool. It is not too hot. It is not too cold. So it is cool. Everybody loves spring season. What do we see in the spring season? What do we see? We see flowers and butterflies. Flowers and you write butterfly. Not butterflies, huh? Butterfly. We see flowers and butterfly. So how is winter? It is cold. When do we make snowman? When the Xmas bell chime. What do we make when Xmas bell chimes? Snowman. Do we have snowfall in our area? No. How is spring season? How is spring season? It is cool. What do we see in spring season? Flower and butterfly. Learn this one. So this is your notebook work. Put the date, winter and spring season you have to write. How is winter? Your mama will write all the questions and you are going to write the answers. So what is the first number? How is winter? Winter is cold. See this one also. All the words, hard words I have written, bad the spelling. How is winter? Winter is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Winter is cold. Next, when we make snowman, when do we make snowman? When do we make snowman? I have let do, write it do. When, W-H-E-N, when the, T-H-E, Xmas, bells, B-E-L-L-S, bells, chimes. When the Xmas bell chimes, we make snowman. Or in winter, we make snowman. Both are correct. What do we make when Xmas bell chimes? Same question repeated, only answers are different. What do we make when Xmas bell chimes? Snowman. We make snowman. Do we have snowfall in our area? Do we have snowfall in our area? No, in Orissa we don't have snowfall. No. You have to write no and no, no. Next, how is spring season? I told you, neither it is too hot or too cold. So it is cool. Spring season is cool. C-O-O-L. We all enjoy this spring season. What do we see in spring season? Write down what is there in your book. There is flowers and butterfly. What do we see? Mostly we see flower, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers and A-N-D and butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. So you have to write this one. You have to write those words also. See, here are the words. Here are the words you have to write down. And learn them. Shirt, skirt, blanket. Thank you. Do it and send it to me.